Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Talent cum scholarship exam will be held on 14/4/2020 and 19/4/2020.
Kurinji Educational Institutions, CBSE and State Board, Namakkal.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, now we are discussing three-dimensional geometry, exercise 11.3. Okay. Question number 5. In question number 5, first part we discussed already. Second question, in question number 5, second question. Find vector and Cartesian equation of plane that passes through the point 1, 4, 6 and the normal vector to the plane is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. What is given here? Plane passing through the point 1, 4, 6 and normal vector to the plane is given as I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay. Now vector equation of plane is what? Vector equation of plane is r bar minus a bar dot n bar equal to 0. R bar minus a bar dot n bar equal to 0. Okay. Now what is given? Required plane is passing through the point 1, 4, 6. Now position vector of this point is a bar is equal to I cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, this is position vector of point 1, 4, 6. Okay. Next, normal vector to the plane n bar is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, normal vector to the plane is n bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay. The vector equation of the plane is given by r bar minus a bar dot product with n bar equal to 0. So r bar minus what is a bar? I cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap dot product with n bar is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap is equal to 0. Okay. But this is a vector equation of the plane. R bar minus a bar dot product with n bar is equal to 0. R bar minus a bar is what? I cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap dot product with n bar is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap is equal to 0. Now to write Cartesian equation of the plane. Cartesian equation means equation of the plane means have to write something like ax plus by plus cz is equal to d form. Okay. For this we'll consider any arbitrary point px y z. Okay. And position vector of that arbitrary point is r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay. R bar is the position vector of any point px yz in the plane. Okay. So r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So from 1, okay, in place of r bar substituting xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So what we get? Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap minus of I cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap dot product with I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap is equal to 0. So what we get here? Xi cap minus I cap. Xi cap minus I cap, what we can write? X minus 1 I cap plus yj cap minus 4j cap we can write as y minus 4j cap plus zk cap minus 6k cap we can write as z minus 6k cap dot product with I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap is equal to 0. Now by taking dot product of these two, so what we have? X minus 1 I cap dot product with I cap is x minus 1. Okay, y minus 4 j cap dot product with minus 2 j cap is minus 2 into y minus 4. Okay, plus z minus 6 k cap dot product with k cap is z minus 6 equal to 0. After simplification we get a plane equation as x minus 2y plus z is equal to 15. Okay, x minus 2y plus z is equal to 15, which is the Cartesian equation of the plane. Okay, this is the Cartesian equation of the plane. Okay, next question, find equation of plane that passes through the point, find equation of plane that passes through the point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, 6 comma 4 comma minus 5, minus 4 comma minus 2 comma 3. Okay, my equation of plane passing through 3 points, what is the formula? If we write Cartesian equation of the plane passing through x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3 is determinant of x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1, second row x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, third row x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay, equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points is this one. Okay, now here when 3 points are non-collinear points, unique plane passing through 3 points exist. When the 3 points are collinear points, infinitely many planes passing through these 3 points. Okay, so first check whether 3 points are collinear or non-collinear points. Okay, first check whether the given 3 points are collinear or non-collinear points. Okay, for this, what are the 3 given points? A 1 1 minus 1, B 6 4 minus 5 and C minus 4 minus 2 3. Okay, so determinant of 1 1 minus 1, 6 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 2 3. Okay, this determinant 1 into first row first column close, 4 into 3 12 minus minus 2 into minus 5 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10, so 12 minus 10, so 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, so minus 1 into first row second column close, 6 into 3 18 minus minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20, so 18 minus 20, 18 minus 20 is minus 2, so minus half minus plus 2, minus 1 into first row third column closed. Okay, 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus minus 4 into 4 minus 16, so minus half minus plus 16. Okay, so minus 12 plus 16 is 4. Okay, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Okay, so 2 plus 2 4 minus 4 0. So this determinant 0 means the given 3 points are collinear points. Okay, given 3 points are collinear points, there will be infinitely many number of planes passing through these given points. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to check whether the given points are collinear or not. If they are collinear, infinitely many planes passing through these 3 points. If they are not collinear, determinant is non-zero, 3 points are non-collinear, then we can find a unique plane passing through those 3 non-collinear points. Okay, now in this question the given 3 points are collinear points, so there will be infinite number of planes passing through these 3 collinear points. Okay, next question, find the equation of plane passing through the points 1 1 0 1 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 1. Okay, what are the 3 given points here? 1 1 0 1 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 1. Okay, so first of all I'll check whether the given 3 points are collinear or not. Okay, for this I'll check the determinant 1 1 0 1 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 into first row first column close, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 1 2, so minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 into second row first row second column closed, 1 into minus 1 okay, my next question, find equation of plane passing through the points 1 1 0 1 2 1 and minus 2 2 minus 1. Okay. Now these 3 points given, first of all we'll verify that whether the given 3 points are collinear or not. Whether the given 3 points are collinear or not. For this we'll calculate the determinant of 1 1 0, 1 2 1, minus 2 2, minus 1. Okay. Now 1 into first row first column close 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 1 2. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 into 1 minus 4. Okay. Next minus 1 into first row second column closed 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, so minus half minus plus 2. Okay. So 2 minus 1 1 into minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, which is not equal to 0. So this determinant is non-zero. This determinant is non-zero. What is it meaning? It means that the given 3 points 1 1 0, A 1 1 0, B 1 2 1 and C minus 2 2 minus 1 are non-collinear points. Okay, these 3 points are non-collinear points. Now, as these 3 points are non-collinear points, equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Okay. Now here I will consider 1 1 0 as x1 y1 z1, 1 2 1 as x2 y2 z2 and C minus 2 1 minus 1 as x3 y3 z3. Okay. Now x minus x1, x minus 1, y minus y1, y minus 1, z minus z1, z minus 0. Next x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 1, z2 minus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 1, z2 minus z1, 1 minus 0, second row. Now third row, minus 2 minus 1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, that is 2 minus 1 and z3 minus z1 minus 1 minus 0. This is equal to 0. So what we get? Determinant of x minus 1, y minus 1, z, first row, second column, second row 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 0 1. Okay. Third row minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. This determinant equal to 0. Now this determinant value x minus 1 into first row first column closed minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 into x minus 1 minus of y minus 1 into first row second column closed 0 into minus 1 0 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, so minus of minus plus 3. So how much it is? 3 into y minus 1, so minus 3 into y minus 1 plus z into first row third column closed, first row third column closed, z into 1 minus 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 is 0 minus minus 3 into 1 minus 3, so minus of minus plus 3, nothing but 3z is equal to 0. So if we simplify, if we multiply minus 2 inside, what we get? Minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Okay. Minus 3y plus 3 plus 3z is equal to 0. So what we have? Minus 2x minus 3y plus 3z is equal plus 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Taking minus common or multiplying with minus 1 on both sides. So what we get? 2x plus 3y minus 3z minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 3z is equal to 5. Okay. This is the required equation of plane in Cartesian form. Okay. Equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Find intercept cut off by the plane 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5. Find the intercept cut off by the plane 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5. Okay. I'll try to write this given plane equation in Cartesian form in intercept form. Intercept form means x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1 form. So for this is the given plane equation. What it is, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5. Okay, dividing both sides by 5, what we get, 2x plus y minus z by 5 is equal to 1. Further we can write as 2x by 5 plus y by 5 minus z by 5 is equal to 1. Okay, now further we can write this as 2x by 5 as x by 5 by 2 plus y by 5 minus z by 5 as plus z by minus 5 is equal to 1. Now if you observe this equation 2, okay, I'll mark this one as equation 2. Now equation 2 is of the form x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Okay, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Okay, now x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. In this form, a, b, c are x-intercept, y-intercept and z-intercept respectively. Okay, a is x-intercept, b is y-intercept and z is c is z-intercept. So using this, now equation 2, x upon x-intercept. What is x-intercept? 5 by 2 is x-intercept, y upon 5 is y-intercept and z upon minus 5 is z-intercept. So intercept cut off by the plane are 5 by 2, 5 and minus 5. 5 by 2, 5 and minus 5. Okay, these are the intercepts cut off by the plane. Okay, a given plane equation we will try to write as x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1 form. Okay, comparing equation 2 with x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1, where a, b, c are x-intercept, y-intercept and z-intercept respectively. So here what we got, x-intercept as 5 by 2, y-intercept as 5 and z-intercept as minus 5. Okay. Next question, find equation of plane with intercept 3 on y-axis. Means y-intercept is given as 3, y-intercept is given as 3 and parallel to zx plane. Parallel to zx plane. We have to find equation of plane with y-intercept as 3 and parallel to zx plane. Okay. Now first of all, what we know, in xy plane z ordinate is 0, in yz plane x ordinate 0, in xz plane y ordinate 0. So equation of zx plane is y equal to 0. Okay, equation of plane zx is y equal to 0. Okay, equation of zx plane is y equal to 0. Now any plane parallel to zx plane, any plane parallel to zx plane is of the form y is equal to some constant. Okay, y is equal to a. Any plane parallel to zyx is of the form y is equal to a. Okay, now here what is given? Given that y-intercept is 3. Y-intercept 3 means y is equal to a and y-intercept 3 means a is equal to 3. Okay, so y-intercept of the plane is 3, so that is a is equal to 3. Now required plane equation is y is equal to 3. Okay, first of all zx plane is y is equal to 0 ma. Any plane parallel to zx plane is some y is equal to some constant. Here what is given? Y-intercept is given as 3, so a is equal to how much? 3. Okay, so equation of required plane is y is equal to 3. Okay, next.